Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can group layers in your designs on Affinity Designer in 2026. So let us get started. Head over to the Affinity Designer, navigate to the given canvas or document here through these document tabs, and then guys, add layers to your documents, to your design. For example, you can insert a text box, another one you can let me add a shape for the sake of this tutorial. So we got these three layers here, and they will be represented in the layers tab here to the right. 1, 2, 3, 2 text layers and 1 shape layer. What you want to do is left click into one of them, then press and hold left shift on your keyboard, left click into the second one and the third one, or depending on how many you would like to group, and then left click into each one of them while holding left shift, right click, and then choose group. You may also use the shortcut Ctrl G. As you can see, they have been inserted or added to that group. Now you can expand that group and click into each sub layer here of the group one by one, or select the entire group and now move all of them at once. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.